it's time to add the pasta. When it comes to pasta, the whole wheat pasta is considered to be the healthiest choice, but the taste is a little unusual. Whereas the white flour pasta can win the race of taste but is the unhealthy one. So next time when you get the pasta, make sure to check the ingredients for durum wheat. The durum wheat is a spring wheat from which the semolina or suji is made, and this is primarily used to make the pastas and the pizza doughs. The durum wheat is considered healthy. It contains more fiber, more protein and essential minerals as compared to the refined or the white flour, and the taste is also good. Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, and in this video I'm going to share with you all a very delicious recipe, the pasta salad. This is going to be simple, quick and delicious. So let's check the recipe. And for the recipe, all you will need is cooked pasta, some vegetables and some seasonings to flavor it. And to make the salad, first in a bowl I will add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. The soya sauce also contains that tangy sour taste. And then I will add half a tablespoon of Tabasco sauce. The Tabasco sauce is a very spicy sauce, so make sure you are adding little bit and not more. Then 1/4 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Next, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. This is going to give that nice fat to the salad. Half a tablespoon of lemon juice for sourness. Next, freshly ground black pepper powder, as much as you want. I'll just add a little more. Then half a teaspoon of chili flakes. We have already added Tabasco sauce to the recipe, so check the amount of chili flakes. If you wanted more spice, add more. If you want less spice, then you can completely avoid it. Then a little bit of oregano. This is going to make the pasta a little more flavorful. Now we'll mix this. Just mix it nicely so that all the sauce are mixed with the oil. And now it's time to add the pasta. Next I will add handful of baby spinach. And finally I will add around half a cup of shredded lettuce. The pasta is hot, so it's going to cook the spinach a little, which is absolutely fine. This is looking lovely, and on the top here I'm going to add some roasted walnut and roasted peanuts. This is completely optional. If you like them, just add them. If you don't like them, avoid. This is a complete meal in itself. Complex carbohydrate from the pasta, protein from the nuts and healthy fats. Just perfect. And if you want to add cucumbers, zucchini or any other vegetables, your favorite vegetable to the recipe, just go for it. Add more veggies and make it even more healthier. And now it's time to taste. I'll just serve it on a plate. The taste is very good. All the flavors have come together really nice. Pasta is a good source of carbohydrate and can be consumed as a meal. So making a pasta salad is a healthy option instead of cooking the pasta in a lot of butter and cheese. And I love the way all the flavors came together. Little spicy, little tangy and mild. So you can also add some boiled or grilled chicken, shrimp or tofu to make it even more tastier. You can serve this salad chilled, but I prefer to have them at room temperature. You let me know that what's your favorite pasta recipe. And that's all for today's video. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. And for health and food related articles, please visit my website at www.allightfood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.